in. We'll start by painting some PVC and applying some masking. This will allow us to make a 2-color V-Carve. To cut our pattern, we're using a 90-degree V-bit. We're going to pair that with a V-Carve engraving toolpath. The deeper the bit plunges, the wider our line. PVC is easy to carve and can withstand the outdoor elements, making it a perfect material for making signs. Next, we're going to use a 1/4-inch upcut end mill to cut out the profile of our letter. And when that's finished, we'll remove the tabs using a flush trim bit. Now we'll apply our second color. The masking we applied earlier protects the darker paint underneath. Once we peel off our masking, well, we'll have a detailed 2-color V-Carve with crisp edges.